වෙන කාටවත් ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ උඹට විතරද ඔය දැන් චූ කරන සීන් එක. උඹට ෆුට් ස්ටෙප්ස් ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ ගේම් එකේ මගේ චූ කරන සද්ද එනවා.
That's a good one.
ජපෝ ඒක තමයි යූස් කරන්නේ මේවා දෙකක් නේ.
උඹ පයියේ දෙක.
නෑ බිච්චු. සබ් එකයි හෙඩ්සෙට්
Be
එකයි.
advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the
ඒක පාවිච්චි කරපුවා ගේම් එක ගන්න.
Let's go to the same place. I want to get the revenge.
අඩෝ that's going to be hot ටාන් කෙලින්ම යට. බුදු
Oh,
සරණයි
we'll go,
දෙවියටයි.
oh, we'll go to this one. The 3.
Okay.
affirmative.
That's going to be slightly less hot I think. Last
Bunker
game
number
it was fucked man, they had this RPDs and shit, no chance.
Yeah, I don't know how they even got it.
ඒකේ උඩ ගන්න දෙයක් තියෙනවා මම ටග් ගාලා පැනලා ගන්න ඕනේ. Like on the top of that platform there are some guns.
උඩ හිටපු දෙන්නව මම මැරුවා.
ගන්න එක තිබ්බ එකත් මරුවද? අඩු land on the top and get the gun first, right? Yeah, there's a gun here. I'm gonna get that.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
ගත්තා XMR එකක් ගත්තා. ඇතුළට යන්නද? Going in, coming in. I'm gonna watch the back. You guys go.
Bunker 387624851.
කවුත් තාවේ නෑනේ. මම මේ බංකේ චානේ.
Yep.
There's nothing inside.
But shape.
Shit bunker में
Everyone's speaking it for that shit.
okay.
Do we have enough for the loadout? No, right?
No. That's why no one comes here. වැඩක් නැහැ.
Hey, there's a armor box. ඔය. ඒ armor එක දාගෙන යන්න.
Go. හරි.
I have armor back.
මේ ammo නේ. අනේ armor. හරි. I also have ammo I think.
Yeah, I also have.
Do you want to put
Ammo,
it?
ammo yeah, we'll save it man.
Yeah.
Or die with it. Whatever.
Sure.
Let's check the outside.
Chopper is coming.
Oh,
Let's get
ammo.
them by surprise. Let's get them by surprise. Why did you shoot now?
They are going away. But I'm going to use my machine gun. ගහපන් ගහපන්. අර wing එකේ ඉන්න එකට ගහපන්. I'm reloading.
Reloading.
අයියෝ he's getting away.
Yo.
What?
They jumped down.
Virat?
One guy jumped down. Oh, he got downed. දෙකෙන් එක. අඩෝ
yeah,
යට දෙක
yeah,
abandoned. හරියන්.
How the fuck did you guys get so much ammo?
We had machine guns.
Yeah,
I had
LMG.
120 rounds on the chopper. Kasi ඉස්සක් ගව කර
මාත් 100ක් ගැහුවා උට.
Okay, so now we are still broke as fuck. Let's go here. I mean here. Pinya පොලිමට යන ලස්සනට. බුලට් එකක් આવුත් ඔක්කොලාගෙම පුකාසෙන් යන්න කියලා. බුලට් එක.
ඒ කෝච්චියේ මේකත්
loot කරලා නේ. It's looted. I don't know. Coach is not looted. Ado, we need a vehicle to get to the coach here, right? Ado, come to the coach. Talk about
We have.
You
guys loot that. I'll loot here.
I got 2 ammo boxes now.
Ground.
Stop.
Mighty armor here.
අඩු.
ප්‍රතිව දාලා ඇවිල්ලා ඔක්කොම.
Okay, we got enough. We got
Ammo box.
Whoa.
ගැටුන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඔබ?
නෑ.
වැටෙන්න එපා.
මේ අපි
සැලෙන්න
recon
එපා.
එකත් කරමුද?
කරමු අවුලන්න.
Do it.
What the fuck? ප්‍රතියා. දුන්න.
ඒ වටේම ඉන්න ඔබ එතන. වට කරලා ඉන්නවා.
අර ammo box එකක් තිබ්බ ඉස්සරහ.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
අඩු මේක ඇතුලේ buy එකක් තියෙනවද?
මම බයි එක ගන්නෑ. You are doing the recon, right?
Teammates in the gulag.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Everyone to the safe zone now.
Are we going out of the ring?
Wait,
What
let me check. No, ring is so fucking huge, bro. The whole map is the ring.
එන අපිට වටේ යන්න පුළුවන් කර recon.
Yeah.
අඩු we'll stay here then.
Yeah.
අර බංකේගේ දොර ඇරලත් නෑ බං.
Teammate
What the
will
fuck?
deploy to the AO.
ඇතුළට ගිහිල්ලා ලැබුවත් දන්නේ.
Nice.
Recon intel secured.
බෝ සල්ලි කොට 10 grand.
Holy
Whoa, whoa.
shit, yeah.
කවුද මේ වාහනයක් ඔක පුපුරයි ගෙට් ඔම්මට උඩු. I
Let's
don't
go,
wanna-
let's go.
I told you it's gonna blow up.
Yeah.
අන්න ප්‍රදියත්
It was critical time.
ඔක්කොම මේ boxes loot කරාද?
Yeah.
Ammo box එක ගත්තද? There's ammo box here, take this.
I took the
Take the
ammo
spoil
stash.
rotten now. Spoil rotten now. Why did you open it? Okay, fine.
There are so many ammo boxes, right?
Yeah. There's another this thing. Take this also.
මේක තාම respawn උන්නේ නැහැ. මම මෙතන ඉන්නේ ඉන්නද? ආවා.
නෑ නෑ ටිකක් කළා යනවා ටිකක් කළා යනවා.
ඔයි කරපන්.
Okay. Where is it?
It's
Ah,
at
I
the
see.
end.
I'm going. No, it's at this
Whoa,
side. This side යකෝ මෙහෙ මෙහෙ. මෙහෙ තියෙන. It changes. Yeah. From time to time. Randomized.
හරි යෝගි ඉවර කරපන්කෝ. අපි එතකොට දන්නවා
දැන්
කොහෙද සර්කල් එකේ යන්නේ කියලා.
Enemies in the area.
One guy is doing something there.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Okay, where's the ආඩෝ බෝඩ් යard පැත්තට එන්නේ.
But someone shooting here, right?
Whoa.
Oh yeah. අර පැත්තෙන් කද්ද පැත්තෙන්.
කද්ද
කන්ද
Cut to
කන්ද.
bed.
කන්ද පැත්තෙන් කියලා කිව්වේ. I down කර I got one. Oh shit. අඩෝ මාත් down වුණා මල හුත්තයි. ගානවා යක පුක පැලෙන්න මට. මට රෙස් එකක් ඕනේ පුතාලා.
ප්‍රදියන.
ප්‍රදිය බලාගෙන උන්ට ඇන්ගල් එක තියෙනවා තාම.
Move to the next area.
වෝ උන් මම කිල් එක ගන්න මැරෙන්නේ නැතුව.
Dash do the this thing.
Doing it.
අඩෝ did they get on the train no right?
No.
No.
හරිද supply ගත්තද? recon
Yeah,
May we can get a loader. We can get a loader.
You can get 2
Yeah.
levels, yako.
Contract complete.
you just keep doing it.
Secured.
Holy shit, the
Wow.
amount of
Although we can buy a lot of loaders.
you can buy Lamborghini. බඩගින්න හැටියට Lamborghini ගන්න.
I think we can do one more, right?
Yeah, let's do one more.
One
Does
more?
it spawn every time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unlimited.
Oi.
කඩක පුරන්න දෙනවා.
මතුරට දැලි බිහිය දුන්නා වගේ යකෝ.
Objective
Hadi කරපන්.
updated.
Oi.
Secure that position.
Okay.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
අන්න
Ooh,
ලෝඩ්
loader.
එකක් එනවා ෆ්‍රී එකක්. ලෝබකමට කියලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් ඕනද?
Well, what are we gonna do with all this money then?
We'll donate.
That's what we do,
You
eh?
can get fucking UAVs.
Safe zone.
Yeah. Unlimited. Advanced UAV. නිකන් every UAV.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Now we outside the ring නේ.
හරි. මේ අපිට
So
මේ
let's
තැන තමයි
stay here. Let's stay there.
අඩෝ we have to go there. අඩෝ next buy station is here. Let's buy the Lodi and
Let's
stuff.
stand here. There's
someone
මේ
there.
එතන කට්ටියක්
But
ඉන්නවා.
there are people here. Don't go there. We'll let the train go and there's another by train tracks වලට අහු වෙන එක.
Look at the fucker. Piece of shit. Look at the fucker. Piece of motherfucker.
There's another cunt there. ඒ උන් දෙන්න එතන වලියක් දාගෙන.
There's this side also. Other side. Should we get out? Oh,
අඩෝ we are in the open
මේ
නේ.
අනිත් එකත් කරපන්.
Let's do one more.
ගත්තා. ඔයි.
Let's do
Got
one
that?
more. Let's do one more.
තව එකක්. We are in the fucking open යකෝ මේ හූත ඇස්සේ දෙපැත්තේම කට්ටිය
Yeah,
මරා
two
යන්න.
side.
කෝච්චියට වෙලා.
We went,
Although, I don't think the circle will be closer than any of them.
Secured.
Yeah, that's it. ඊට වඩා ඉතින් පොඩි වෙන්නේ මේක තමයි fine.
Look at the
Let's go.
circle.
Final.
Although we have done so many. Let's go.
Let's go. ඊතුරු circle
Where are we landing? Where are we
අඩෝ
landing?
there's a truck here.
Light vehicle gas is moving.
Okay.
Shall we
Let's go.
steal that truck?
Yeah, let's
1, 2, 3, let's go.
I'm-
On name Nipah, please.
Yeah.
So
Load
much
out
money.
first. Load out first.
Okay, I'm gonna drive this. Get it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, how to get Burano? Shit. What the fuck? This train?
Pop flop.
Okay, being where's the closest? Bye.
Look at the
Shall we go
fucking
here?
map.
Final ring. Shall we
Yeah,
go
yeah,
there and buy everything?
Let's go, yeah.
How do we need trophy system? Trophy system.
We'll buy
में आता-
everything.
You can't buy trophy system. Oh, wait,
Oh,
I'm gonna give you cover from the side.
Shoot that fucker. One guy, motherfucker.
Shape.
Shoot that fuck. Piece of a cunt.
Piece of a cunt. Which piece of the cunt?
Like, with the worst piece.
Make a paraduno lajjai bang. Top 10 or 10 no. Masa lajja. Berarti apa? Amuda galala nida gannawa
Come, come, suck it.
ආ මෙතනනේ මම මැරුණේ කලින් ගියන්නේ. ට්‍රක් එක රිවර්ස් එකක් දාලා ගහන්න.
මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ buy station.
Oh.
Nice.
Whoa. Oh shit. Who was that?
That's the guy.
Get back. Get ready.
I don't know. I don't want to die like this. I don't want to die like this.
කවුරු උඩට නැගපන්. කවුරු උඩට නැගපන්. ලැඩගෙන නැගපන් උඩට කවුරු. උඩට නැග රුච්චා නැගපන්.
He's there. He's there.
Hey, Mama,
In
you
the
area
building.
there,
In the building. Out there are a lot of people. Lot of people
හරි
are
හරි.
there.
අ-
Lot of
පව-
people are there.
අපි ගහමු shape එකේ. We need a trophy though.
Sure.
Mi pe
We can
station.
Sure.
Reloading. We can do this. We are...
Wait, let me buy the loadout.
Don't
guys.
stay close to
I'll-
truck ප්‍රදියා. truck එක විපුරොත් තුම මැරෙනවා. Oh මට වෙඩි දෙනවා වෙඩි දෙනවා.
Oh.
ඌ කොහෙන්ද වෙඩි දෙන්නේ?
There. This side.
What the fuck? Where did I get shot from?
May Pradeep, check this side. Check that side. I'll check this side. Okay.
Mi tawa
They know we are here. They know we are here, and they really want us.
Holy shit, I fell down. මෙතන එතන. I broke. I arm එක ලාවට ගැහුවා. One down. Two down.
Armor down na.
Ado, one more behind me. Tackle.
He's dead.
Ade, ha building ek in na. One more in the other
Team
building.
back.
One more in the other building. Different team. Get ready.
Okay. Get the armor. Put the armor.
Maybe claymore එකක් දාපන් කොහෙ හරි එහෙම මෙන් එන්න බැරිය.
Let me put one more UAV. Wait.
Put in place. Look, be careful.
Or there, guys.
ප්‍රදීන shape එක ගහපන් ඉඳලා ගහපන්. Sam.
Whoa.
Go.
අර මම self rest කරගන්නවා. අර අරු snipe කරා.
කොහෙන්ද?
ඔය මේ UAV
Whoa. Or he's in the fire station. He's in the fire
Wait,
station.
there's one to the left.
One to the left and one in the fire station.
Okay.
මෙන්න armor තියෙන මෙතන.
Okay. May, guys.
Putting
May,
UAV.
UAV overhead.
May take the loadout here.
Okay.
Take the loadout here.
Ado, road is gonna drop on the roof, no?
No, it's not on
Ah.
the roof.
Ah,
Get it quickly.
be careful. Are happy in the building, okay? Okay, let's do this. Not gonna die here today. Not today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna climb up.
Oh, there are 3 guys. One on the loadout side also.
Okay, I'll try to take this. Is there a sniper on the fire?
Wait.
Yeah, there's a
I'll
sniper
distract
on
them.
the
I'll
fire.
get the jeep. I'll get the lorry and distract them. Okay. You
If I
guys go.
don't do dumb shit, එළිය ගිහලා
Don't,
මම we
don't,
can't
don't,
rest you. Just stay inside. Just stay.
There are only 2 guys. Punisher, you're getting shot.
Ado, we have one more UAV.
We can
No,
get.
I'm done.
Shall I get a UAV?
මං ගන්නද මං
Bye.
ගන්නද?
You guys have
Bye.
18k and shit. Bye.
Bye. I have unlimited
Wait,
money. I'm the bank. I'm alone.
Gas is closing in.
Okay.
Wait, let me try to go behind them. Let me flank those fuckers.
මන් දානවා
Don't go
UAV
that far. Don't go that far.
Yeah.
Then
UAV overhead.
I want to get the guy on the left, man. Here, this guy.
This building.
Yeah, yeah.
Enemy UAV
Where is he? Can you? I see him. I see him. I see him.
I see the guy in the tower.
He got him. Someone got him. Someone got him. Who got him?
I don't know, not me. Wasn't me. When I then fall back, I don't know who. Tower I go in there. Ale ale. And the guy.
He's down.
This
He's
guy.
down. He's down.
He's parachuting down.
He's down.
Okay,
He's down. He's down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, let's
He's
go,
down.
let's
He's down. That fucker
Let's
is
go.
down.
Let's go.
Hey,
The
don't go,
UAV is
don't
done.
go. There's another
Our
whole
team-
team coming. There's a team coming. Don't go.
So good. So good. So good. Fuck that.
Ari, one down. Team wipe.
Nice,
There's
nice.
another team,
Bro,
another team,
cover.
another team, another team coming. Another team coming. Get ready.
Where?
I broke
They're
armor.
coming
මේ
from
මෙතන
the right.
එකක් ඉන්නවා. I broke
උච්චම්බ
armor.
පොඩ්ඩක් back කරලා ගහපන් හදිස්සිය අර යරුනොත්.
Wait, there's
ටවර්
Savage.
එකකින් ඉන්නවා ස්නයිපර් කෙනෙක්
Wow.
Putting armor.
Same. May Rucha, I'm gonna fall back to your building. May dash. Fall back. Let's go. Stick it.
Vare.
Back
Should
to
I
our
stay
building. Back
here?
to base. Back to base. Back to base.
Reloading.
Back to base.
So three
May I'm
fucking
putting
teams
a
of five.
UAV.
How do they all know? I think the final ring. Worry. Come back.
Oh,
The fuck? Wadino. Chara gal. Sara. පාරත්තිය.
Whoa.
මේ මට පින් කරපන් ෂේප් එකේ අර මේ අපරණ මාකස් එක වැරදිනේ
Huh?
මේ මෙතන
මට
ඉන්නවා
පින් කරපන් කොහෙද ඉන්නේ කියලා
මෙතන සෙට් එකක් ඉන්නවා
ඕකේ ඒ ටවර් එකනේ ෆයර් ආ නෑ ඕ එතන එන සෙට් එකක් ඉන්නනේ මං අර කොනට යනවා
අඩෝ මේ
There's another team coming. Get one more UAV.
Okay.
Someone has 21,000. Vindula. Get more UAVs. We
අර
need more
අරුන්ගේ
UAVs.
සල්ලි තරංග ආව යකෝ මරපු උන්ගේ
He's coming around. That fucker is coming around. Let me go outside.
we'll hold up here මේ I'll drop the cash from here
මේ උඹ මේ ආම එක දාගනින් බින්දුල
මේ මං කොහොමද ඔෆෙන්සිව් එක ගහන්න උඹලා cash අරන් කවුරු someone take the
One
cash
guy's coming here.
Yeah.
One guy coming here. I'm just walking over there.
මේ ට්‍රක් එකට ලැඩි ළඟ එන්න එපා they might blow up the truck we just need a trophy system ba keep the UAVs coming
Put the UAV.
Rucha keep the
Alright.
UAVs coming
Just don't keep shooting because we are getting so many attention.
රදියම් බත් එකක් ගත්තද ආ මොකද සල්ලි නෑ හරි දාන්න
මගේ සල්ලි මම තිබ්බ ඔක්කොම ගත්තා
He's in the building. That fucker is in the building. Fuck.
one guy in this
Good down.
fires කවුද ආවේ ඇතුළට දොර කඩාගෙන
It's me.
අතන
ආ
මේ ඔය මම පින් කරපු තැන එකෙක් ආවා
Are the vehicles gonna explode?
yeah don't stay near it
May I'm gonna
මේ
run for this
need
building.
ammo also no
මේක ඇතුළේ තාම ඉන්නවා
May get the ammo box.
I have ammo box
There's one guy here.
yeah I have
Eliminated.
nice ඔහම අපි will hold our position මෙමෙ ඉඳලා
මේ
ගමු
මේක ඇතුලේ 3 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා
හරි ඔව් ඒක ඇතුළේ ඉන්නේ උන් ඔව් ටවර් එකෙන් බලනවා ටවර් එකෙන් බලනවා top most tower watch tower
මේ තව UAV එකක් දාන්නද
ඔව් tower
Oh, someone
ආවත්
going.
මේ
ටවර් එකෙන්
ආමර්
ආම කැඩුවා ටිකක් full කැඩුවේ නෑ මේ ආම box එක පල්ලෙහාට ඇවිල්ලා දාන්නද උඩින් දාන්නද
මේ ආම බක් ආමද
අනේ මේ ආම plate ආම
UAV. We need
keep the
UAV.
UAV ah
Where's the ammo box?
ammo box මේ ආම box එක carry
Where?
උඩ climb the ladder
I'm gonna get a ammunition box
okay get I also think I'll need
Where's the ammo box?
here
Yeah.
pinged it's me
Okay. There are a lot of people coming this way.
Kanama. The one guy in the vehicle.
මේ opening the
Let
ammo
me take
box
that box.
opening the ammo
Hurry.
box
Hurry.
may before taking the ammo put all your ammo out and then take from the box
Ammo out meaning?
ammo ටික drop කරපන් උඹේ තියෙන
Ah.
ඊට පස්සේ ammo box එකෙන් full කරපන් So then we
okay.
can stack up there.
Okay, I'll drop everything here. Rifle ammo තමයි වැඩි හරියක් ඕනේ.
Yeah, මාත් තිබ්බ ඔක්කොම ටික drop කරා. කළා resupply කරපන්.
UAV went right?
Yeah, wait, I'll get another UAV.
Still there. Focus are still there. උන් හෙට පයින්නවා මෙහෙට පයින්නවා.
Okay, got another UAV.
On the roof.
Put in the UAV.
Need recon
Okay.
on my position.
I'm going to the side and I'm gonna check the sides.
Don't go out.
Just sides here.
Don't
just,
go out.
Just here.
Don't man.
Just here.
අම්මෝ යකෝ.
එළියට යන්න එපා. We can't rest you if you go out.
Not outside, meaning not that far. Just outside the wall.
That far.
No need to go right. We are in the
Yeah,
circle.
right in the circle. The last
No need to
fucking
go.
circle.
Yeah. I know. I'm just outside the wall. That's it. You guys can anyway come. There's a vehicle coming.
Vehicle guy.
Enemy UAV over. Enemy
Almost got him.
Enemy
Wait, I'm
soldier
getting
incoming.
another UAV.
Okay.
He's gone. He escaped.
Enemy UAV overhead. Need recon on my position. Entering the AO. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh. අඩෝ බැස් පිටිපස්සෙන් තියෙනවා. පිටිපස්සෙන් කවුරු ගහනවා.
Yeah, there's one guy in the building also.
What?
Yeah. I can't see that building. Because of this building, it's blocking that view.
Moving.
Let's not give you a position. We'll just hold
I know
it. Yeah.
everyone knows, man. You know, I mean,
Yeah,
everyone knows.
Yeah, and none of us have ghost also.
ඔක්කොලාම දන්නවා UAV එකක් දැම්මොත් පලාතම පේනවා අපේ. ඇට දෙක විතරයි පේන්නේ නැත්තේ. අඩෝ the fire station is quiet now. Why is that? UAV එක ඉවරද?
I think they died or something.
අඩෝ wait. We have to conserve money. We are out of money. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was buying how many UAVs?
Okay. How many UAVs do you have in stock?
Just
ඊයත් තියෙනවා.
one?
Just one. Okay, pull the cash and buy one more. Oh no, we can buy.
They're fighting.
Yeah.
They're passive fighting. They're
Pull
good.
කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Dash, you can buy one more UAV.
I can buy one. Yeah, they're fighting. Oh, there's one guy outside our building.
Don't go. Let them come. We'll hold this position.
මේ යන්නේ
Oh,
කියනවා.
ආවද? උච්චා.
Don't
down.
give it. Don't give it. Don't
මං
give
අර
it.
තාම fire station එක ඇහැ දාගෙන ඉන්නේ. ඇහැ තියන් ඉන්නේ fire station.
Kill that fucker. Don't let them be down.
එකෙක් මලා
Kill them,
හරිව
finish
මලා.
him off.
උඩව.
Nice.
Lovely.
Another one coming.
Another one.
DJ calling.
Fire station එකේ වුණොත් අඬුවක්
One guy there.
හොලවන්න.
One guy there. There. I'm gonna take him.
Don't.
Okay.
Stick.
Let's run. He's fighting someone else, but Punisher, you have a sniper.
Yeah.
Take him out.
Don't expose though.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh.
යඩෝ පිටින් ගාවි. ඉන්නේ පහල.
What do you mean?
Inside the building.
Luckily-
Okay, got team wipe.
Nice.
Nice.
I saw one guy in the trees.
Pradya, UAV එක කරන් තියාගෙන.
මේ fire station එක දෙන්න තාම ඉන්නවා.
Or get his money.
I got assist elimination. So the guy behind us died. One guy behind us dead.
මං
UAV එක කරන් උඹ ගාව තියාගෙන දාන්න එපා.
Guys, smoke. Adu! Smoke is there. This is the last circle.
Hari, we got this. Hold. The
But we
fuckers in
ate,
the
we
fire station
ate.
have to come out.
Someone came.
Fuck. I need rifle ammo. මගේ තියෙනවද rifle ammo? I need to get that shit.
පළයා.
You want ammo?
No, I got it.
Okay. Guys, I'll put the UAV. Oh, save it.
Put one. When the circle closes, put
මල
one.
එකක් තියෙනවා තව.
Put up.
Fuck.
You've got gas.
Holy shit. Puttu.
Okay. We'll hold our position. We'll hold.
මේ ප්‍රදියා උඹ
There's
මෙතන
one
මොකද්ද
outside.
drop
There's
කරේ?
one outside.
Oh, මේ අල්ලන් හිටපන්.
මේ ක්ලේමර් එක. ක්ලේමර්. ක්ලස්ටර් එකකුත් තියෙනවා උතන. අඩෝ ඒක ගත්තා නම් ගොඩයක්කෝ. මලක තව මේකකුත් තියෙනවා. UAV එක.
I broke one's armor outside here.
Enemies in
Dash.
the area.
Here.
There's one there. Yeah.
Gas is closing.
What?
Can you quickly jump? There's a cluster strike.
ක්ලස්ටර්.
What?
We're
Where?
near the buy station.
මං මේක දාලා
පල්ලෙ
ගන්නද?
හරියටම පල්ලෙ.
බලාගෙන don't do anything risky. Put another UAV. Put another
Where
UAV.
the
Target dama.
Okay, I got it.
Come up.
Hey, one guy in here.
Someone's coming.
Make ඇතුළේ
He ran
ඉන්න.
in. Fucker ran in. Inside us.
Inside us?
No man, he's not inside.
He's coming. He's there.
One guy armor broke. Ghost තියෙනවා සමහර හුත්තුලා.
Cluster strike. I'll put the cluster strike. Wait.
Yeah, good.
Allied cluster strike inbound. Gas is closing in. Relocate to the safe zone.
Adu, if they put a cluster on us, get away from the windows. Okay, ඇතුළේ ඉන්න. දීපන් silent.
එහා පැත්තේ
Nice.
බිල්ඩින් එකකම එනවා.
Nice. අපේ එහා පැත්තේ neighbors ලා ඉන්නවා මෙතන.
Oh, this is so tense.
මේක යනවා. මේ
Adu is anyone recording this?
ගෑස් එකනවා
Fuck.
Yeah.
Gas is
Okay,
coming.
patient. ඉඳලා ගහමු. Mask තියෙනවනේ. We all have masks, right?
No.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't have.
Okay. Go.
Outside. How?
Go. One down.
I'm getting shot. I'm dead. Fuck. Fucker is behind you guys.
How do I-
You guys. Nice. You guys killed it. Ooh. Three teams. One guy in the fuck.
Adu!
shit.
Fucking hell, I was reloading, man.
Oh, that was good.
Mask තිබුණේ නෑනේ.
Oh, එකටවත්
I-
gas mask තිබ්බේ නෑ. ඒක අමතකුණා.
I
I had
had.
a gas mask.
නෑ මරත් තිබ්බා.
Then why did you jump first then?
I don't know. You guys jumped, so I jumped.
I told the people without the mask to go. Just to take the fire. So I was with the mask and I was killing everyone behind you.
Fuck, these fucking noobs won.
Really? ඒකනේ ලක්
That
තමයි
was a
limit එක.
good game, huh? That was a fucking good game.
ආතල් එක.
Oh no, everyone was there. Like, I think everyone is doing the contract and getting there.
ඔව් නේ බා අපේ වටේම ඉන්න කට්ටිය.
වටේම හිටියේ. අපෝ කොච්චර වෙලාවක් වෙඩි දීපද මේකේ? තියනවා ඉවරයි.
යාට මන්ට most bullet shot in a game.
අඩෝ third
25k.
29k. Holy shit.
Nice.
කොටයි දාර මේක බලන්න මේ ස්ටැට්ස් පෙන්වන්න නැද්ද?
පෙන්න. Where's that?
ඒකනේ.
Fuck. Alright, that was a good game.
Match summary එක බලමු.
How do you see some?
You can see the match summary.
How?
Most kills on high rank scoreboard players. I got a new thing. Again, my account top. මරන්න chance එකක් හම්බෙලා.
Wow.
Match summary. Click match summary.
Yeah, so from
ඒකේ නිකන් XP breakdown එකක් විතරනේ පෙන්නන්නේ.
You can go scoreboard. Summary, contract, scoreboard.
Ah.
E breakdown. Last game. The fuck?
What the fuck? This shows another team no. When a team get නෑ අපේ stats when එවුන්ගේ නම් ටිකක් පෙන්නන්නේ සම්බාග්. I know I got 5 kills, so I'm at the bottom. Yeah.
I got 2. But I got 10,000 score because I was buying so
That's
many
really recon.
UAVs.
Wait, XP get the full.
Can't see.
29,000.
Damn.